San Antonio Water System Standard Specifications for Construction. Item No. 826. Existing valve box adjustments. 826.1 Description. This item shall consist with the adjusting of existing valve boxes in accordance with these specifications and as directed by the engineer. 826.2 Reference Standards. Reference standards cited in this specification item number 826 refer to the current reference standard published at the time of the latest revision. 1. San Antonio Water System, SAWS. A. Specifications for water and sanitary sewer construction. B. SAWS Materials Specifications. 2. City of San Antonio, COSA, Specifications. 3. American Society for Testing and Materials, ASTM, International. ASTM A48, Standard Specification for Gray Iron Castings. B. ASTM D256, Standard Test Methods for Determining the IZAD Pendulum Impact Resistance of Plastics. C. ASTM D638, Standard Test Method for Tensile Properties of Plastics. D. ASTM D648, Standard Test Method for Deflection Temperature of Plastics under Flexural Load in the Edgewise Position. EASTM D790, Standard Test Methods for Flexural Properties of Unreinforced and Reinforced Plastics and Electrical Insulating Materials. FASTM D2240, Standard Test Method for Rubber Property Durometer Hardness. 4. American Association of State Highway and Transportation Officials, AASHTO. AM 306 Standard Specification for Drainage, Sewer Utility and Related Changes. 826.3 Submittals. Contractor shall submit manufacturer's product data, instructions, recommendations, shop drawings, and certifications. All submittals shall be in accordance with engineer's requirements and submittals shall be approved prior to delivery. 826.4 Materials. The materials for valve boxes shall conform to the specifications contained within the latest revision of SAWS Material Specification Item No. 10-20, Valve Boxes. 826.5 Construction. 1. The valve box shall be placed in such a manner to prevent shock or stress from being transmitted to the valve. 2. It shall be centered and plumb over the operating nut of the valve with the box cover flush with the surface of the finished proposed pavement or existing pavement elevation. 3. Valve boxes located in streets or other areas subject to vehicular traffic shall be provided with concrete collars as shown in the DD828 standard drawing series. 4. Collars around such valve boxes shall be formed and finished off neatly and in a workmanlike manner. 5. Valve box shall be located so that the valve operating nut is readily accessible for operation through the opening in the valve box. 6. The valve box shall be set flush with the surface of the finished pavement or at such other elevations as may be specified. 7. Existing valve boxes shall be defined as boxes which are located within the right-of-way of the specified area of construction operations and are in conflict. These boxes shall be adjusted to match proposed finished grades. 826.6 Measurement. Adjustment of existing valve boxes will be measured by the unit of valve boxes adjusted to the finished grade. 826.7 Payment. 1. Payment for valve box adjustment shall be made at the contract unit price. 2. Adjustments to existing valves are incidental to the installation of the valve and are paid for as part of item NOS 828 gate valves, 830 butterfly valves or 832 tapping sleeves and valves of these specifications. 3. Separate pay shall not be given to adjust existing valves to finished grade. 4. Materials paid on site will be in accordance with Table 1 of Specification Item Number 100 Mobilization.